Hey guys, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to use this app called Frame Lapse. You can only get Frame Lapse on Samsung. Press the HQ button and then you can see the recommended 1080. Press that and there it is. Next, press the camera button. As you can see, we have nothing here. Self timer. Turn that off. The WB. White balance. Put it on audio. Filter effects. None. Plus and minus. Plus 0 EV. Good. Timer. We did the 2 seconds, which is the best for time lapse. Remember to press the video. Make sure it is infinite instead of 7 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds to 1 minute, and etc. Make sure it's infinite. That way it does not cut you out. Then, lastly, press the button with the mountains. This is your speed value. You can't really edit it due to the premium. Well, guys, thanks so much.